welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can see, my brows are bare and naked. This is all natural right here. We are going to be doing a updated brow tutorial. I don't know why I say updated, because I don't have a brow tutorial on my channel. And I'm so sorry that everything is so pink right now. Like my wall's pink, sweater's pink, my makeup's pink. I just finished a segment right now for my Snapchat. If you guys don't follow me on my Snapchat, I do a segment every Tuesday/Wednesday called Toot Tuesday, but I call it /Wednesday because sometimes something happens on Tuesday where I have to delay it to Wednesday. So make sure to follow me on Snapchat so that way you guys can see my live videos and you can ask me any questions. I do giveaways. So today we're gonna be doing a brow tutorial. If you guys like this makeup, just let me know. I'll film it for you for Valentine's Day. I don't know why I call it Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day. Whatever. So for today, we're gonna need a couple of things. We are going to need a little flat synthetic detail brush. We're also gonna need some brow gel. You can't see what brand this is, but it is by Milani and it is just a clear brow gel. I am not picky about brow gels. Like honestly, as long as they keep my hairs in place, we are good. The brow pencil that I use is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. It is my favorite brow product at this time. It is very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, except it is half the price. You don't need, this is just optional. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Crayon Duo. Like it has like a highlighted kind of shimmery crayon, and then it also has a more beigey crayon, and I use this under my brow. Another thing that we may or may not need, I just sometimes do it, is a brow powder. Now you can buy these separately. I have the Pro palette, but the one that I use is this one right here, and it is in the shade dark brown. Another thing that we are going to need is concealer. Where's my concealer at? The one that I use is just the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. I use this to prime my eyes. I use it to clean up. I use it to carve out my cut crease. I pretty much use this concealer for everything. It just hasn't done me wrong whatsoever. So those are the things that you will need to achieve the brows that I'm doing. But again, you don't have to have the specific brands that I use. You can, you know, get different ones. I'm sure there's a lot more out there. But this is just the way that I fill my brows in. So if you guys want to see how I fill my brows in, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in so that you're able to see a little closer. Ready to zoom in? Zoom! Is this close enough? Can you see my pores? What about my wrinkles? Okay, let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna brush all of my brows up. I'm gonna go ahead and outline the bottom of my brow first. So what I'm doing is I'm going to create the outline of my brows, and then I'm gonna shade it in, kind of like a coloring book. I'm gonna extend the tail out like so. And then after I have that outline down, I'm going to brush all of my hair down. Then after I brush all my hair down, the end first. As you guys can see, I'm missing a lot of hair right there. I just don't grow any. Then I'm going to slowly bring that in. Now I'm not gonna bring it all the way into here. I'm just gonna stop about right there. And once that is done, I keep this hair down because what I wanna do is fill all that bald area right there. And then I'll brush my hair over it. So I'm gonna fill this in first. And the end, like this tail area, is the darkest point of the brows. Now I don't like those like really faded brows like in the front. I don't really like that look. I go for the more natural bold brow, if that makes sense. Make sure there's no sparse areas. And then I have a really big scar right here that's defined, so I go a little darker there than I would. And then from here, I just go up. I kind of like follow the hair where it grows, like what area it's growing towards. So I kind of go up, but I curve. So now since that is done, so there's a couple of things you can do. If you want to darken the outer corner a little more, you can go in with the powder that I was showing you guys, the Duo. And I'm going to go in with this ashier tone right here. So one thing I didn't show you guys earlier is that you'll need an angle brush as well. I'm putting a little of the leftover powder on this side. I'm going to grab a little bit of concealer on the little brush that we were using to kind of clean them up. And then I grab the pencil that I was telling you guys, the Duo, which you can use anything that's like beige, and then I kind of just rub it in with my finger. Last but not least, I grab my brow gel. I like to go upwards on the front ones, and then I kind of brush them down on this side. Alright guys, so we are back and I have my second brow on here. I hope this video was a little bit helpful for you. And honestly guys, like it really takes me like maybe about 10 minutes to do my brows when it used to take me like 18 years. And I'm not saying anything is wrong with using a pomade. Honestly, I love the Anastasia pomade and I love her pencils, but I did find a dupe that is cheaper and I'm all about deals, and this is very similar to her Brow Wiz, and using this pencil has made it so much easier for my brows, and it's cut my time down by a lot, okay? So if you guys enjoyed this video and if it was helpful for you, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah.